on this Saturday. It's J300 out here on this Saturday morning, taking kiddo, dropping him off to his people's house. On my way to the flea market today. We're gonna got a new mod coming today, so stay tuned and look at Beauty. Ain't she just looking lovely on a Saturday? Can't keep it clean, look at that. But she's shining still. So yeah, about to hit on here on this road and get on this trip. So about to listen to some music, so we'll see you soon. Hey J300 gang, I'm here at the flea market. Finally made it. About to go ahead and check these prices. Ain't been here in a while. Let me mask up because be safe. Not sorry. Woo. Sorry about the lighting. Well, turn around a little bit, let y'all see the stuff. How you doing? All right. Here we go. Y'all see, packed and crowded as always. You know, I'm in Baltimore, Maryland, so this is our North Point, East Point flea market called. About to go out here and see what's up. Got the pocketbooks, everything out here. Yeah, nice Saturday, 70-degree weather. As you see, he's packed. So here you go. And come over. He be having stuff is already made.
I got out right after the
Two of these. And you know we the mopar gang. And I'll hit y'all when I'm done. What's up, y'all? I'm back. A lot of music going on in there, so I didn't want to get copyrighted. So I'm in the car, got my decals. It was a very long line. A lot of people was out today getting decals. So I'm about to ride on my way home. I'll show you how to put them on, how it looks. You give me your likes, your dislikes, comments in below. See you when I'm finished. So I'm back. I know we started this video at like 11, but time got away from me. I had stuff to do, so it's now 5 o'clock, 5:45, and this is everything I needed. Got the decals, alcohol, tape for measurement. So I'm about to apply this on and show you how I do. YouTube? So yesterday, I had a long day at the flea market. Had to do some errands, and I put the stickers on, but my back one kind of messed up, so we had to go back to the flea market today and get a new one. So still kind of bubbly, but that means it got to cure. You know what that means? It got to settle. But I'm gonna show you the final product of it. So let me know if you like it. So here we go. Start from the front. Got the mopar. What we got? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the J300 page. And that's the back. And you see bubbles and stuff. I'm not going to mess with them because you'll wrinkle it up. So I'll see if it cures. And then I got the J300 there too. And also there too. So yeah. Thank you for watching. And I have a treat for you later on today. That's in another video. Hey gang, I'm back again. So, got some exciting news to tell y'all. Kind of exciting, but waiting for the kiddo. Better go gas up the 300, and I got invited to my first 300 car meet today. I'll put the flyer up in the beginning or middle end of the video. Well, I'll put it up right there. I mentioned it so you can see. It's in Delaware. You know, we're in Maryland, so we got to meet somewhere. Curl Park for you ones and that know where that's at. We meet there in about a half an hour, and then we link up, and then we go. So I'll try to get footage of that to see the people that we meeting for the first time, and then get some driving footage of the cars side by side if I can, and then all the cars is there. So yeah, this is exciting for me. You know, I'm a beginner of YouTuber, and some of the people on Facebook in the 300 group that I am like my car and follow me, and I follow them, and then yeah, so here we go. I'll see y'all. I'll turn the camera back on once we get to the Curl Park. So gang, I was on my way out to Delaware to the car meet. I had a little small exhaust leak, but on the way on 95, it burst. So if you can hear it, it got louder and exhaust is hanging. So I'm just gonna go get the mufflers chopped off tomorrow and go from there. So on my way back home, and thanks for watching.